So in this course, network management, I'll be discussing the following. We're going to be discussing what is DHCP. So why do we actually need DHCP? That's the domain host control protocol on our Windows server environment. I'll be discussing the difference between DHCP and static IP address. Should you actually configure a static IP address on a Windows server, or should you allow your DHCP to allocate IP address to your Windows server? I'll also be showing you how to configure a static IP address on your devices, and also we'll also be configuring hostname on our devices. I'll be discussing on how to promote our Windows server to a domain controller, and also we'll be joining our Windows operating system as our Windows 10 and Windows 11 device to our to our domain environment. And we're going to troubleshoot if, for example, you are unable to join a computer or a device to a domain server. I'm going to troubleshoot and show you how to do just that. So let's go on to see what is actually a DHCP.